The importance of code formatting.
Oh, code formatting refers to the way your code looks on screen. Consistent spacing, indentation, and alignment make software easier to read and work on. Good formatting isn't about style alone. It helps teams catch errors quickly, navigate code efficiently, and maintain high standards across projects. Clean code creates a solid foundation for everything that follows.
Reducing bugs with clean code.
Poorly formatted code can hide errors and make bugs harder to spot. Automated code formatting ensures that code structure is always clear and predictable. This reduces the chance of simple mistakes, helps you and your team avoid logical errors, and makes it easier to review changes, all of which can significantly cut down on costly bugs.
Easier collaboration among developers.
When everyone writes and formats code in the same way, it's much easier for multiple developers to work together. Consistent formatting means anyone on the team can jump in, understand what's happening, and contribute. Automated tools make it simple to follow team standards, helping new developers onboard faster and preventing confusion or wasted time.
Simplifying code maintenance.
Well-formatted code isn't just easier to write, it's easier to maintain in the long run. Clean code structure helps teams identify problems, update features, and refactor code with confidence. Automated formatting removes personal bias from style decisions, so teams can focus on improving software, not debating spaces or brackets.
Automated formatting, an essential tool.
Modern code editors can automatically apply formatting rules every time you save a file. Tools like Prettier, Black, and clang-format take care of the details, ensuring your whole project follows the same standards. This automation saves time, prevents errors, and makes code more enjoyable for everyone to read and maintain.
The bottom line, cleaner code, better software.
Code formatting is not just about aesthetics, it's about quality and teamwork. Automated code formatting makes your projects more reliable, helps catch bugs, and creates a smooth experience for every developer. Embracing clean code means building software that's easier to understand, easier to grow, and easier to trust.